Hey, it's the Midnight Raven, and yes, I am in the same dress. I am batch filming on this hot, humid, mucky day in the UK, so looking a bit worse for wear. Today we are unboxing my monthly Graze box. I haven't had one in, I think it's about a month now. I took a break while we had what I call my birthday season, i.e. me and my son's birthdays, because they're not cheap. We do like to splash out a bit when it comes to our birthday. So we took some time off from getting Graze, and now we are back in the flow of things. So if you don't know what Graze is a subscription service that gives you 4 healthy snacks. You can choose from 3 different boxes. You can choose from the light box, the variety box, the vegan box, and they also do a protein box, which was new to me. Currently, you can get your first box for free and then all your other boxes for $3.99 instead of $4.49 by using the code VXJ29FJ. And what I will do is I will put that in the description. That is the code I use to get my boxes currently for $3.99 instead of $4.49. It's not much of a saving, but every little helps, hence the Tesco slogan. So here we have the Graze packaging. Everything in this box is recyclable. So what if snacks took you somewhere new? So let's take a look and see if these snacks are going to take me somewhere new. So we are going on a taste adventure, of course. So inside you will find this little pamphlet, and this little leaflet gives you all the details you need about your product. On the back, it tells you all the nutritional advice, all the ingredients. So for any of you nut sufferers like I am, or allergy sufferers of any kind, you can check the thing. Then on the inside, celebrate National Blueberry Month with £5 off when you spend £15 or more using this code here. Feel free to use that if you want to order some stuff. And then down the bottom here, we have some codes. So these codes get you your first, 5th and 10th Graze box for free. All you have to do is use this promotion code down here, put it onto the website, and you get your first, 5th and 10th box for free. And if you want to use the code that I had earlier, that gives you your box for $3.99 instead of $4.49. I don't get anything from you using the code. It just means that every month you save that little bit extra and you get some tasty snacks. I will put these codes all in the description for what they are, so that if you do want to use them, they're there. So then we come to the 4 snacks, and as you can see, they are nicely packaged. So we are going to go for the oats and cinnamon tea cookies, and they come like this. So this actually comes with a tea bag. Not very often you get tea and biscuits in the same pack. So these are oat and cinnamon cookies with a special blend of black tea. So in there you get a little tea bag, and then you get these 2 massively chunky cookies, and they are cinnamon. And I don't know if you know, but cinnamon are my favourite type of cookies, as well as donuts and many other things. I love cinnamon. I love that nice kind of spiciness on my tongue. Probably TMI, too much information there, but there you go. So you got that one. 24 grams for the cookies. So moving on, next we have cocoa vanilla protein flapjack. Hello, flapjack, 53 grams, source of protein and high in fiber. So what we have here is we have 3 chunks or pieces or slabs of cocoa vanilla protein flapjack. So this is whole grain flapjack with cocoa, vanilla flavoring and soya protein crispies. Oh my god, do they not sound delicious? Could have these for work, take them to school with you, and they're a very handy little travel size. You could literally stick this in your handbag or go to work with them. Okay, the third tasty option, again we are going for cinnamon, and this is cinnamon apple pie. So it's a deconstructed cinnamon apple pie, if you want to say it like that. All the ingredients that we'd use in the filling. So this contains cinnamons, almonds, dried apple pieces, and Chilean flame raisins, or Sicilian. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I think it's Sicilian or Chilean. So these will go to my son because it obviously contains almonds, and I can't have nuts. So although this looks delicious, it's going to go to my boy, hence the almonds, which is a shame because cinnamon, apple pie, I mean, who doesn't like both of them? So you've got that. And then last of all, we have milk cocoa whole grain dippers. Okay, you piqued my interest. So here they are. So here's the dippers. So we've got milk chocolate dip. I mean, you had me at milk chocolate dip. Look at that dark, milky chocolate dip. Obviously milk chocolate, which was dark. And then you get these lightly salted whole grain pretzel sticks. Oh, hello, pretzel sticks. Chocolate. Do I sense yumminess ahead? So here we have these. They look really nice. Look at them. And you get a whole bunch. Oh, yeah. Enough to use that dipping chocolate. And then in the bottom of the box, you usually get the fact that it's 100% recyclable, the entire box, which is great. And then inside, you usually get a few little promotions. You've got one about Beers 52. There's a code if you want to use it there. You can take a picture of it. And another one of the same. And then you obviously get a HelloFresh, which is 60% off a first box using those codes. If you fancy 60% off your first box plus 35% off your next 3 boxes, just use this. I get nothing from, they are just adverts in the box. So that was everything you got. So if you want to experience 4 tasty snacks, I implore you to use this at the bottom to get your first, 5th and 10th box for free. Or if you want to use the code VXJ29FJ, you'll get your first box for free, and then all your other boxes will be for $3.99 instead of $4.49, which sounds like a wonderful deal. I'll put all that in the description so you don't have to search for it, and I'll put these codes in there as well. So like I said, if you're concerned about any of the ingredients, everything is on there, including the fats, proteins, fibers, sugars, and all that good stuff. So we have the Dip Hooray pretzel sticks. We have the cinnamon apple pie, which my son will love. We have the cocoa vanilla protein flapjack, which I will probably take to work because that sounds yummy. And then the last one is the oat and cinnamon cookies, which I will probably give the tea to my son and maybe the cookies, or maybe he'll let me have one. Who knows? So if you want to support Graze and support their wonderful idea of having delicious snacks delivered to your house, I'm not sponsored or affiliated. I've been getting this for the last couple of months, and before that I'd been getting it for a few years. So I took a break. I'm coming back to them now that I've moved. I'm more stable and I can afford to buy them. Like I said, it's not overly expensive. You want a daily snack, a treat, something to take away with you on holiday, camping, stick it in your lunchbox, take it to work, sit at home and have a tasty snack. Check out the box for yourself. I will link the website down below as well if you need any more information about the other boxes they do, i.e. the variety, the vegan, or the protein box. Everything will be down in the description. And I will see you very soon for another unboxing. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.